Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can buy gift cards here on trip.com. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for trip.com and then log into your account. So once you're here, as you can see at the left side, we have these options. So simply tap on the gift cards. That's right. And then here you'll be able to see the different gift cards that you can purchase. So we have these popular designs. So we have for holidays, for congratulations, thank you, workplace, and more. For example, we want to purchase this congrats template. So after that, you just have to choose your template and then the currency, and then the amount. That's right. And then if you'd like to input other amounts, so just tap it up right here. And then of course the delivery method. So we have email or share via link. And who you want to, send this gift card. And then the message and then the contact information. And then once you are done reading the policy right here, the booking notices, so just have to simply tap on the pay now option and you'll be able to see here now the total price details. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.